Coming up with content ideas can be challenging, especially when you're not sure what your audience is searching for. Fortunately, Answer the Public makes keyword research much easier. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find keyword ideas with Answer the Public and turn real search queries into valuable content opportunities. First, open Answer the Public and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to start researching keywords and search trends. Next, click the search bar and enter a broad keyword related to your niche or industry. For example, if you create fitness content, you might search for something like home workouts or weight loss. Click the search button and wait for the report to load. Answer the Public gathers real search queries and organizes them into useful categories, making it easier to understand what people want to know. One of the most valuable sections is the questions category. Here you'll find searches that begin with words like how, what, why, when, where, and which. These questions can become blog posts, videos, tutorials, and FAQ content. Next, look at the prepositions and comparison sections. These areas reveal how users compare products, services, and topics. This can help you uncover long-tail keywords and content ideas that may have less competition. Scroll further to review related search terms. These suggestions often reveal subtopics and keyword variations you may not have considered before. As you discover useful keyword ideas, save them in a spreadsheet, document, or content planner. Organizing your keywords by topic can make future content creation much easier. Now take your strongest keywords and build content around them. For example, a question-based keyword can become a tutorial video, while a comparison keyword can become a review article or detailed guide. And that's how to find keyword ideas with Answer the Public. Yeah, by exploring questions, comparisons, and related searches, you can quickly discover content opportunities based on what people are actually searching for online. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your keyword research.